What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be learning how to set up slash commands in the bot designer for Discord app. But before we start, I just want to say something. Why is it that I get more likes when I speak, even though this is like the previous one was my second video that had my voice, and somehow it actually got more likes than a lot of other videos, which is definitely surprising. But that is besides the point, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is click on the command creator button. So then click on create command. We're gonna do a simple command for now, so you get the gist of it. So let's just make the trigger exclamation mark say, and we're gonna do an embed. So description, $description, okay, I'm bad at typing, wow. So $message, boom, pretty bad, yup. Okay, wow. Guys, I don't type at like in a mobile device, so don't blame me, please. $color, where is it? Oh my god, right here. And now I forgot the thingy. FF900, hopefully that is right. Actually, no. I am so bad. Okay, so what this command is basically supposed to do is it's gonna repeat whatever we say, so the bot's gonna repeat that. So click on slash command trigger and enable global slash command, and then also check enable guild slash command. You only have 100 triggers, so be careful, and then set the command trigger to the one you set for the actual command. So slash say, description would be says whatever you want the bot to say, and you need to click on add options. So option name would be text, or actually message. Option description would be what do you want the bot to say? And the option type would be text because we're taking a text input from the user. So if it's any other input, for example, if your command has a $mention function in, you will click user because you need that input. So that will allow the bot, the slash command, to basically be able to take the user input, and then if you're mentioning a role, you click on that, and if you need an attachment, you obviously enable that option type. You can also, I'm pretty sure, add multiple options. So, and then obviously channel, same thing. Boolean, you don't really need that, it's just some development thing. I can't really think of a scenario where you need that, but if you do need that at some point, then I'll tell you guys. And integer is obviously integers, and numbers are numbers if you need some number input, which obviously you can use, but for now we're just gonna click text. So option required, yes. Enable autocomplete, do not check that, and then leave predefined choices as well. So click save changes and click save changes again, and then save your command. And now you need to wait a minute or two. That's the time it takes most of the times for the bot to sync with the Discord developer portal, whatever you want to call that. So just wait a minute or two. The recommended time is 1 hour, but in my personal experience it takes way less time than that. But if for some reason it's not syncing or not showing, you can just click on slash command trigger and force resync. Do not click on this multiple times in a day. So yeah, just click on it if you're getting too impatient. And I think my bot is offline right now, so let me just get it online. Add free hosting time. Okay, okay, what is this? Okay, this is interesting. Free hosting time 225, confirm. So hopefully if I go right now, it should be there. So let me just open the app. Alright, so since our slash command trigger was /say, if we type slash, it should be, and there you go, it's right there, and it has our description, says whatever we want the bot to say, and I just realized it does not contain a to, but that's okay. So click on say, and that's our option name that we said, which was message. So we'll make the bot say hello everyone on YouTube, and hopefully when we click send, it responds with whatever we want the bot to say. And there you go, it's in an embed with the color we chose, and it's saying what we wanted the bot to say. We can go and mess around with this, you know, whatever we want to do with it. There's a lot of possibilities, so you can definitely experiment and do all of that. And once slash commands are enabled, you should have this green badge thingy at the corner of your bot, which basically says that it supports slash commands. So hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon. And there's also a text version of this tutorial on my website. I don't really know what the page would be, but it would probably be bdfdguide.tk/commands. So, yep, see you guys in the next video. Take care and peace out.